Greetings, GR Corolla fans. Today I'm going to talk about replacing the front skid plate on my GR Corolla. As you know, the OEM skid plate is made out of plastic and can be damaged quite easily. Of course, that would never happen to me because I'm a superior driver. So, but you as a viewer might benefit from it. So this is the skid plate that I'm going to replace it with. It's made by RacerX. It's aluminum and it costs $432. Not exactly cheap, but it is pretty cool. So here we go. I'd also like to mention that I'm not going to go through every single detail of how to replace this, simply because I downloaded the installation guide from RacerX and it has very detailed instructions. It shows very clear illustrated pictures of all the bolts you're going to remove, which ones you're going to replace. So I'm going to stick to this, and you can do the same thing when you purchase your RacerX skid plate. In order to remove these retaining clips, you're going to want to use a small trim removal tool. And this completes the installation. Notice how you have your access panel for the oil filter replacement, and then for the oil drain plug here. And you still have the OEM default air cooling vent towards the back there. But this is it. Seems pretty solid.